Early photography was slow. In 1826, this image, the first permanent photo, took 8 hours exposure time. That's why you can see sunlight on both sides of the photo. Experiments with silver compounds and chalk led to the development of the daguerreotype in 1839. This process made it possible to take portraits of people like Edgar Allan Poe. Here he is. Or Abraham Lincoln. Photos that wouldn't fade. Good if you want to remember what they look like. Unfortunately, exposure time was still half an hour. That's a long time to sit still. They even used neck braces and drugs to keep people sedated. The second part of the 19th century saw advancements that allowed people to reproduce photos so you could share them around, and the exposure time got shorter and shorter, which meant less sitting around. Photographers still had to prepare and develop their glass plates on the spot though, usually in a mobile darkroom. Who has a mobile darkroom? In the 1880s, George Eastman, founder of EASTMAN KODAK, again revolutionised photography, developing a technology of film which replaced photographic plates. This was a big step towards bringing photography into the mainstream. In 1888, the first handheld camera came along. Look, no tripod. Photographers went crazy, shooting up, down, sideways, everywhere. The first permanent colour photo was taken in 1861. Colour like the world really looks like. One of the early methods of taking colour photos was to use 3 cameras. Each camera would have a colour filter in front of the lens. That's some photo shoot. Then the 1920s saw the invention of the first flash bulbs, meaning you could safely photograph in the dark. Before that you had to use explosive magnesium and potassium chloride, which would ignite with very little persuasion. Risky. The 20th century saw photography get faster, cheaper, and more widely available. We had compact throwaways, Polaroids, and suddenly the revolution, which was digital photography. No more relying on others to process our images for us. No more worrying about the cost of each and every shot. Newspapers and magazines quickly turned to colour digital photography, opening our eyes to more and more previously unseen people and places at lightning speed. We even photographed the moon. So where is photography now? Through the course of the 1990s, we witnessed the next step in photography's evolution. The camera was put on the mobile phone. People wake up with their phones, they wake up with their camera. Photography became free, fast, ever-present, on a mobile, and because it was on a mobile communication device, easy to share. We never miss a moment. We remember everything. We see the world through each other's eyes. We share our every moment. We understand. We're closer. And that's